All right. Hey, everyone. We have a Lego problem. And here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and say what it is. I have too much Lego, way too many projects I need to work on. So I need your help to let me know what you guys want to see so we can just fill this Lego room up more, recycle some things through. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to put a poll down below and we'll see what we get. But I have everything from um, 3D printed projects such as organization, anything you want 3D printed like that. We also have a UV printer. I have a ton of name badges, tiles I've made the last 3 months for people, glasses, thermoses, anything like that that can be UV printed on. We have that. We have custom minifigs in my whatnot auctions. So I definitely want to hit up the um, more of the UV printing. That's probably going to be the biggest part for you guys so I can get you guys some customs. So let me know if you need some of those. Send me a message. The other thing is I have a ton in the backlog. Most of them are really big sets. So we're going to maybe hit those up. Let me know if there's a certain theme you want to see. I've got about 4 modulars I still need to do. I've got a ton of Star Wars sets. I've got let's see, some Harry Potter sets, some Bricklink sets. I have everything, so let me know. We're also going to be trying some other brands here. I've tried them in the past. This is a new one I want to try because the set costs like $1,500 and I'm not paying $1,500 for it. So that's going to be coming on here soon. So we're going to open that and get that, trying to get that built too. The other thing, I have some light kits. I have a ton of light kits on my Lego sets. So if you want to, see those, let me know and we can get those going too. They do take a lot of time, and that's probably why I'm so far behind. Um, Other than that, stay tuned for the updated Legoland and hotel and park. We're going to be doing that here shortly. We'll get the updated things for our Denmark trip on here. They take a lot of time to edit, so I'm just trying to do that the right way here so we can get those out to you guys. So if there's anything you guys want to see on my channel, let me know. If that's organization, how to display, if you have questions, whatever. If you want to see more me building sets, you want to see the process, let me know. The Winter Village, like I said, has been going to be coming up here late fall, and we're going to be printed a ton of pieces for that. And yeah, that's just what I wanted to hop on here for, just to give you a quick update of Too Legit to Brick. We had such a busy summer, so I wanted to throw that out there. The other thing we have, let me show you here. We have the Lego house sets that we snagged when we were there. So I'm going to tell you, we will do these on the channel. I will open these. And the reason I say that is because I grabbed 2 of them and I wanted one to keep and one to build. So that's why those are on here. So we'll get those going too. I know you guys want to see those. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe. But here we are in the Lego room. Just put below. I'll probably try to add like a poll or something here. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe to see an awesome fall here at Too Legit to Brick.